Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today I'm going to be filming this nice bright fun summery look. For my eyes I use the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. This is not the first tutorial I've done on this. I've done a more deeper smoky eye with it as well, but I will go over it again briefly. I do love this palette. It is more for deeper looks, I think, after using it for several weeks. You don't have many natural options, but it's really nice for deeper looks. I really like it. The colors are great. There's great pigmentation, great color payoff, and I really like the formula. And then I'm also going to be trying out my new Colourpop Lippie sticks and lip liner. This is the shade Cougar and the shade Bitchette for the lip liner. And so I will be going over those. So if you want to know how I did this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Sin, and I'm going to put that all over my lid, per usual. And then I am just going to blend it out with my finger. Okay, so taking my Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush, I am going to go in with the shade Strip Poker right here, and I am just going to put it all over my lid to kind of set the primer. And if you've watched my other videos, I've gone over this a little bit, but I do that because I have a more oily skin type, and it kind of just helps keep everything in place a little better throughout the evening or the day. Next I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Cashmere Bunny, and I am going to use that as my transition shade, just buff that into my crease. So still using the same domed eyeshadow brush, just brushing that off a little bit. I am going to go in with the shade Chocolate Martini down here in the bottom corner, and I am going to work that into my outer V. And this particular shade has a lot of fallout, so you don't need a lot of product. It's very pigmented, and you can slowly build it up. Okay, and I have a little bit of fallout, so just to brush that off, I'm going to take my big Tarte powder brush and just brush that away. So next I'm going to go in with my Body Shop eyeshadow brush. It's this kind of like flat brush, and I am going to go in with the shade Honey Pot right here. And I'm first going to get it wet. I'm going to be using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist, and I am just going to spray it. I find that with a damp brush you can usually get a lot more color payoff with some of the shimmer shades. Okay, and taking that shade Honey Pot, I am just going to put that all over my lid. So I am going to go in with my Morphe M4 for 1, and I am just going to go in with that shade Cashmere Bunny again, and I am just going to blend everything out, blend it together. Okay, so going back in with my domed eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to go back in with that shade Chocolate Martini and just kind of build up on the corners a little bit more. Okay, so taking my Body Shop lip concealer brush, I am going to go in with the shade Heaven. That is this white shade right here, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Okay. And going in with my e.l.f. small angled brush, I am going to take the shade Honey Pot again, and I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line. Okay, so I am going to do my eyeliner off camera real quick, and I will be right back. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I am going to be using my Morphe 310 brush, my Morphe 310 fan brush without its cover, and today I am just going to be going in with the shade Eclipse up in the top corner here, this nice kind of peachy shade. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my mascara, and first I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my usual three. I'm going to start with my Ulta Twice as Nice, and I'm going to go in with the lower lash side and put that on the back of my upper lashes, just to make them pop and to cover up any fallout that I missed. So next I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and I am going to build that up on my bottom lashes. And I'm also going to put a thin layer on my top lashes just to set their kind of shape for my Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, next I'm going in with my Ride or Die, my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, and I am going to build that up on the top lashes. Okay, so low-key we're having camera issues, and for some reason the camera stops recording every now and again, so the sniffling man behind the camera is Nick, my wonderful boyfriend. Hello, just wave hello. He's making sure it doesn't stop recording because it's been silly. So, low-key, we're having technical difficulties. The power flashed at one point, like, it's a mess today. And it's not even raining. It's like nice and sunny outside, so I don't know. Alright, so to finish up my look today, I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop lip liner, and this is the shade Bitchette, and I am going to just line my lips. Okay, and then I am going to be taking my Colourpop Lippie Stick in the shade Cougar and finish that up. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist and just set everything. Woo! Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this look. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.